Brownout is a condition that's encountered by pilots when they're going to land on unimproved surfaces where there's a large amount of dust on the ground, and when the pilot goes to land into that area, the dust engulfs the aircraft and makes it difficult for the pilot to see the ground, and it can lead to spatial disorientation and has been responsible for many accidents over the past 13 years.
Altitude. All right, I see dust a little coming in out my peripheral vision, getting it down to about 30 feet.
.3DLZ is a game changer because it's like flying a video game in that it gives you good visual references all the way to touchdown. It also color codes obstacles based on their height above ground level. So it basically does the thinking for you. It tells you what's most likely to affect the aircraft, and you can modify your approach, or you can actually reposition the aircraft based on those obstacles.
I can see yellow and red out all around the aircraft.
Personally, I would like to have seen this technology out in the fleet a long time ago. As you know, accidents in a brownout are the #1 killer of helicopters DoD wide.
Red towers turning here, must be there were a lot of wires. That's the wires showed up very well. Low 60 knots, so we've got the hat page on, which means your scan's also going to be a little bit lower. We talked about that yesterday. I am getting some pretty good distinct returns on the wires that are going up through the pass here.
Take a good look at these ones up that we're going to cross. Outside and inside, they're pretty well hit. Actually, in the
they're
daylight,
hitting very well. These guys are hitting excellently. Yeah, that's a good picture.
Got a good set of wires now. I'm going to kind of peek around to the right here. I see there's wires in the view. There are the wires. Okay, I'm going to put the flight path marker above them. Clearing them. Okay, that was working well.
Control flight into terrain is a major player when it comes to low-level flight, and that's what helicopters do. We fly down low on almost every mission. Having a system that warns you is vitally important and will save countless lives and countless aircraft.
Acknowledge.
Yep. And I got the sun right hitting us in the face.
How's the sun affecting the Ladar?
Well, actually, it's doing pretty well. I can actually see to the Ladar better right now than I can outside because the sun's hitting me right in the face. My visor's coming down. We got a big hill over here to the left.
If you want to just fly straight off the Ladar, you can. I'll let you outside.
Okay, sounds good. All right.
And you into this all nose view?
Yeah, I'll switch it over to chase now. Okay, here's the chase view. All right, yeah, again, bigger field of view here. I can see the beacon way out there. I'm going to go through this little small, or this draw over here on the left side of this beacon.
Clear left.
Coming left. And this is going to be, I'm just going to fly normally here, like I would be trying to fly nav to the earth. And I'm doing it right into the sun, which is just awesome. And man, it's giving me good scans all the way through the hill. I'm getting the red on top of the ridge lines a little bit as it's tracing the ridges. As soon as we come out of this one, I'll make a hard right turn, start heading towards the next gate. Coming right now.
Clear right, you go ahead and advance.
Okay, gate sharks now. Okay, so...
Briefing on sharks here. Sharks is, you can stay this side of the peak. Sharks is 1200.